Is lobster healthy? Everything you need to know. People around the world know lobster as a delicacy or luxury food. Like shrimp, crab, and crayfish, lobster is a crustacean, a type of shellfish characterized by its segmented body protected by a shell. Generally, people think of crustaceans as high cholesterol foods. However, they also have a high nutritional value. This article explains all you need to know about the nutrition of lobster, including whether the cholesterol it contains should be a reason for concern. It also reviews the benefits and downsides of eating lobster and discusses how to prepare it. Health benefits of lobster. Lobster's high-quality nutritional profile gives it numerous health benefits. Protein-rich. Lobster has a high protein content. It's also rich in all essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein. This means that the quality of protein lobster offers may be equal to or better than that of milk, red meat, or soy, 10 trusted source. Additionally, research suggests that high-protein foods may aid or promote weight loss by boosting your metabolism and increasing feelings of fullness, 11 trusted source. In fact, your body burns more calories when processing proteins than it does when processing carbs and fats. Protein is also more efficient than carbs or fat at increasing feelings of fullness. It does this by reducing appetite-stimulating hormones and increasing levels of hormones that reduce hunger. Thus, eating protein may help with appetite control, may promote brain and mental health. Omega-3s and vitamin B12 play an essential role in brain and mental health. For example, DHA is an important component of brain cells and is necessary for the function of the cell membrane. Studies have found that omega-3 deficiency may accelerate brain aging. Thus, adding lobster to your diet may prove beneficial for your brain and mental health. May protect against heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States. To help prevent this condition, public health initiatives recommend regularly eating fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Studies have repeatedly shown that long-chain omega-3s, such as EPA and DHA, have protective effects against heart disease. Fish and seafood species that provide high amounts of both, such as lobster, seem to be the most protective. EPA and DHA may reduce the risk of heart disease in several ways. Studies suggest they may lower blood cholesterol levels and blood pressure. They may also reduce inflammation to help prevent atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which is a risk factor for stroke, may have anti-cancer effects. Omega-3s and selenium may give lobster cancer-fighting effects. Research suggests that diets rich in EPA, DHA, and selenium may have a protective effect against several types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, prostate, lung, gastric, liver, and ovarian cancers. Thanks for watching and subscribe channels. People around the world know lobster as a delicacy or luxury food. Like shrimp, crab, and crayfish, lobster is a crustacean, a type of shellfish characterized by its segmented body protected by a shell, one trusted source. Generally, people think of crustaceans as high cholesterol foods. However, they also have a high nutritional value. This article explains all you need to know about the nutrition of lobster, including whether the cholesterol it contains should be a reason for concern. It also reviews the benefits and downsides of eating lobster and discusses how to prepare it. Summary: lobster's texture and flavor make it easy to include in a wide variety of dishes. Boiling and steaming are two traditional and healthy cooking methods. Frying or serving it with butter or mayonnaise can increase the fat content considerably. Thanks for watching.